Sleep and fitness unlocking the secret to gains and loss. Hey, fitness fam, ever wonder why you're hitting the gym hard, eating right, but still not seeing those gains or weight loss you crave? The culprit might be something unexpected: sleep. Today, we're diving into how lack of sleep impacts muscle gain and weight loss. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Okay, let's get real for a moment. Did you know that poor sleep can completely derail your fitness journey? Yep, you heard that right. Here's why. First up, muscle gain. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after intense workouts. This crucial process happens during deep sleep stages when growth hormone levels peak. Skimp on sleep, and your muscles don't get the chance to fully recover. And it's not just about muscles. Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones too. Ever notice those late-night cravings after a sleepless night? That's ghrelin, your hunger hormone, going haywire. Meanwhile, leptin, which tells you you're full, drops. It's a recipe for weight gain disaster. So, what can you do to ensure you're getting the best quality sleep? Here are some pro tips to help you snooze like a champion. 1. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Consistency is key. Create a restful environment. Cool, dark, and quiet. Limit screen time before bed. Blue light messes with your melatonin. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Try relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation, or light stretching. Remember, fitness isn't just about working out and eating right. It's a holistic lifestyle. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll see the results you've been dreaming of, literally. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get those gains together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on your fitness journey. Sleep tight, and see you in the next video.